Okay, guys, let's take a look at the second method that we were talking about with these least common multiples. We just showed you if we took a calendar and looked at what was going on how we would come up with a solution, and we said that it would be some 28 days. So let's see, can we look at it mathematically? Well, again, we're looking at this veterinarian at an animal clinic, and he's on call every 4 days. So we're assuming that today is Saturday, and the veterinarian is on call. So we want to know how many more days will it be when the veterinarian will be on call on Saturday again. So let's take a look at method 2, which is making a list. So the first thing we want to do is we want to list the multiples of each number. So we want to list the multiples. We're going to list the multiples of each number. And what number we're referring to is 4 and 7. So what are the multiples of 4? And we need to know what are the multiples of 7. Okay, so let's go. So, well, 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 5, 20. Okay, 4 times 6, 24. 4 times 7, 28. And 4 times 8, 32, and so on. Okay, well, what are the multiples of 7? Okay, well, 7 times 1, 7. 7 times 2, 14. 7 times 3, 21. 7 times 4, 28. 7 times 5, 35. 7 times 6, 42. 7 times 7, 49. And 7 times 8, 56. And of course, so on. Now, if we look at our list, we are trying to find a multiple that appears first in both lists. Once we succeed with doing this, we will see that this is the least common multiple of both 4 and 7. So let's go back through our list and see if we can find such a number. So I'm looking and I'm comparing, and I see 28 and I see 28. So, and the number comes before any other number, and that could be other multiples, but 28 is the first number that appears in both lists. So this is telling me that the least common multiple of 4 and 7 is 28. Okay, so it's just that simple. And this is how you would go ahead and try to construct the least common multiples. It could be a little, well, you know, a little time consuming, but you know, you want to make sure that you're not leaving any stones unturned by not doing so. So again, strategy for it, we have one more method that we want to take a look at, and I will show you that shortly. Okay, see you soon.